Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am going to be planning for a few days this week. Today is the 25th of January and I think I'm going to be planning through Sunday, and Sunday is the 29th. So I am using this really cute sticker kit from, I think it's Revere Plans. It is a turtle kit. I had used one day, but haven't really planned much the last week. So I needed to go ahead and get all of my stickers laid down so that I can use my planner for the rest of the week. So I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe. I have all sorts of content on my channel. I like planning, budgeting, meal planning, meal prepping, grocery shopping, and just sharing kind of all the day-to-day things. I've recently started doing some cleaning videos, so if that sounds like something you might enjoy, love it if you would subscribe. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up so that it will reach a wider audience. All right, guys, I'm going to let you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.